John Licata
Kathleen Ayers.
and his able-bodied minded sidekick, Kathleen Ayers. And actually, you don't see her, but Daisy is recording this and putting it out. We are at the A&K Development Project, 21 homes, executive-style homes in Spotsylvania, right near Riverbend High School and across from where the public is going up. And we're in one of the 2 homes that are under construction. We're getting close to be able to hold open houses here. A&K Development is a long-standing, very reputable, have some great floor plans. And the Licata Group, Kathleen and our team and Daisy will be marketing, the exclusive listing agent of this wonderful property, large property. There are 21 lots, executive style homes. You could bring your own builder and buy a lot. It has to be at least 3,000 square feet. But as you walk through this home, you see how they're getting ready. They're framed out. Put some of the finishes on it. Getting ready to put. They've already started putting the cabinets. Each home has 3 levels, 2 finished levels, and 1. If you want A&K to finish it, they will be happy to. Close to 5,000 square feet total footage. Wonderfully wooded properties. There'll be a deck and an enclosed porch along with it. You're hearing some of the activity as they're building it out. As I walk out, it's a working video. We're seeing the depth of the community, and literally, as the crow flies, we're within a half a mile of Riverbend High School and Route 3 in Spotsylvania.
Stops with Furnace Roads.
And as you look down here, you see the remaining parts of the community. So these homes are being sold completed in the upper 900s, and as I said, there are individual lots that can be purchased starting at $279,000. You could bring your own builder. You're seeing the home. There'll be stone in these 2 portions. We're probably within 30 days of starting having open houses here. So I hope if you're looking for a wonderful property in a convenient location, call Licata Group at Daisy, what's our number? 703
540
540, not 703. I never get it right.
388-2541.
388-2541. There'll be 3 different plans that the developer has, plus if you have your own builder. So great property, great community. This is Licata Live with Kathleen. She's normally very, very talkative. She's not saying much today.
I don't get a chance.
She just smiles. Do you want to say something?
No, well, you said it all.
I said it all.
You
What
said
about
it all.
anything else? Anything else going on?
Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigos.